What you're watching is a late 1960s Silver Star Lionel box set with unoriginal Christmas cars that date back 2014 all the way back to 2011, 14, 13, 12, 11, yes. And then on the main outside, this is the North Pole Express train snowflake route. Difference between the snowflake and the other route is one's a mainly green train, this one's white, matches the white Christmas tree. This one has some assorted boxcars, Santa's Armory. Also found a really cool, it's coming around and I'll stop on it later on, but a Marvin the Martian and Duck Dodgers boxcar from Warner Brothers. But everything about this train is, it has all the original parts. So I've just added some extra boxcars. It's got a Hershey's Kiss car. So I'm going to move over here. I'll give a close-up on the Marvin the Martian here shortly. Let it run around a little bit. Kind of hard to see because the light's bad, because the only light in here is the actual tree. So maybe if I bring it around the train up underneath the tree a little bit better. Let's see. That's probably better. One over here. Duck Dodgers, and there's an opposite side that I will turn around. It complains about that earthling. There's Duck Dodgers claims the planet in the name of the Earth. Obviously one of my favorite cartoons. But there it is, hauling around some Christmas trees. So the idea between the two trains is, the train is my first original when I was 5 or 6 years old. I don't remember what year I got it, but I just know it was running when I woke up in the morning. So this is a train of Christmas past, so obviously it's pulling around all the boxcars for the years. And this is the current Christmas train, so it only pulls around the current year Christmas boxcar. And they're dated, they're all slightly different, so pretty cool. Obviously this is a hobby of mine for Christmas, and that's it. Fun to watch that. Good memories. Reminds me of my dad. Because he would always set it up for me when I was too small and put the tracks together in the old tracks. Lionel's come a long way with these fast tracks versus just the wire tracks going together. And I was lucky enough, and I will post another video of it because after Christmas I'll put that one up and I'll actually put my diesel locomotive up. It's a much bigger, it's an O scale also, but it's physically bigger because it's a diesel and it can pull every boxcar on here, plus these two trains, no problem. But also while I was at the train shop looking for the Christmas boxcar, I came across a refurbished 1930s Burlington Express. It's solid blue, it's very retro, so it fits the mid-century modern house that I live in. And there's a good solid Hershey's Kiss car. I'll move over here for Santa's Armory. You see it's got silver and gold in it. So, let me get the trains back running and give you a better feel from a little bit further back what it looks like. Oop. Kind of cool. The little boy, these would hook up together by themselves. So you could act like you're an actual engineer. A little actuator switch, pressure actuated. I put in a little Christmas light just to give it a Christmas feel. Let's sit back just a little bit. This is obviously an ongoing project. Next year I'm going to get some 4x4 plywood, paint it white. It'll give the trains a lot more stability because obviously the hardwood up underneath the carpet goes up and down and changes in elevation, so it takes a while to work out the kinks on when it gets going too slow because it hits an up ramp. But yeah, it's kind of cool. This little actuated billboard, I don't have it actuated yet. Takes some splicing of wires and whatnot. Ran out of time. Same thing with this little lit house. And over here, this one you can see is a Christmas gift that it's loading in to the loading dock. I'll just sit here for about 35 seconds, let it go around a couple times, and I'll end the video. My goal is to have all 4 trains running at Christmas time in the next couple of years, but that takes some thought process, and as you can see, these trains take up space. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll post another video when I get my diesel on there and I get the 1930s Burlington. Merry Christmas.